Let's fix a common grammar mistake ESL learners make with agree. Please remember, agree is a verb. It is not an adjective. We don't use am, is, are with agree. Let's look at some examples. The first example, I am agree. Remember, when we use agree, because it is a verb, not an adjective, we do not need the am. Now it's correct. We simply say, I agree. The next one, I am disagree. Same rule applies. With disagree, we don't use am. We simply say, I disagree. So we treat agree and disagree as a verb, not an adjective. Let's look at the next examples here. Another common mistake ESL learners make is with age. In English, we don't have age. We are an age. So let's look at some of the examples. First one, she have 30 years. Is that correct? Remember, we don't have age. It's what we are. So because we have she, we would say she is 30 years old. The next one, let's add that here, old. She's 30 years old, or she is 30. That's also okay to say. She is 30 or she is 30 years old. Next one, I hear very common. I have 25 years. Remember, you do not have the age. You are the age. So here, you would say I am, because we have I, so we'd say I am 25 years old. We'd add old. Or we can just say I am 25. So please remember, with age, it's not a possession. It's not what we have. It's what we are. So you can say, I am 40. He is 40. She is 40. They are 20. Or we can say years old. If you want step-by-step grammar practice, watch my 40 Simple Grammar Lessons playlist. It's completely free, and I even give you a free ebook to follow along. See you in the next video. Any questions? Please leave it in the comments.